Okay, it's been a week with no charging on this generator battery. It's stabilized at 10.4 volts. I'm going to try and see if the generator will crank. We have ignition. Not bad, since I didn't check the electrolyte level or charge it up all the way. I'd call this a success. It's finally time to crack open this enclosure and unveil the magic within. Are you ready for the big reveal? The mystery box has worked its magic, conjuring up a K-energy cap dump circuit paired with a boost converter. The boost converter ramps up the voltage to around 24 volts, feeding the cap dump circuit, which fires off at 20 volts. This setup cleverly keeps the cap dump charging even when clouds cause the solar panel's voltage to dip. Under full sunlight, we're getting powerful 2.5 amp pulses every second. The power button on top of the box connects the solar panel's positive lead directly to the boost converter's input, making everything spring to life. The tops of these caps have a slight bow from some accidental overcharging in past experiments. But now that you've seen what's inside, you might be inspired to build one yourself. You can easily grab the boost circuits on Amazon. And if you need a cap dump circuit, just reach out to K at kenergy.store. Ready to get started? Before I go, I want to share some exciting news. My new shop is nearly finished, and I'm putting the final touches on a few projects that are close to release. If you want to be among the first to get your hands on these rare items when they drop on my new website, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching.